I always get a ton of questions regarding the products that I use for my everyday makeup. So I thought it was the perfect time, with us being quarantined and all, to create this video walking you through the products that I use to create a glowy complexion. So the first product that I'm gonna go in with is the Youngblood Diamond Illuminator, which also happens to be my favorite product. I put this all over my face. And what's great about it is that it is a complexion hybrid, so it has instant gratification with long-term benefits. Now that our canvas is nice and prepped, I'm going to go in with the Liquid Mineral Foundation in the shade Shell with our YB6 brush. Just gonna buff that in. Next, I'm going to go in with the Youngblood Concealer in the shade Fair with the YB10 brush and go right underneath my eyes. Using the YB7 brush, I'm going in with the Mineral Rice Setting Powder in the shade Light. Now that I've corrected my uneven skin tone, it's time to add a little bit of warmth. And I'm going to use our defining bronzer in the shade Soleil with the YB2 brush and really focus on the outsides of my face. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is I'm going to be taking the YB5 brush with the shade Posh on the apples of my cheeks, on the tip of my nose. I'm just taking what's left on my brush and brushing it on my eyelids to tie it all in together. I'm now going in with our On Point Brow Defining Pencil in the shade Blonde and just lightly filling in my brow. If you're like me and want more of that defined brow, you can go in with a little bit of concealer and just shape out your brow. It's now time for mascara, and I'm using our Outrageous Lashes Mascara. Now it's time for highlight. I'm going to be using the YB7 brush with the shade Quartz on the high points of my face. And last, but certainly not least, it's time for lips. I'm definitely going to stay on trend by keeping it natural. However, I want to show you one of our newest products, the Liquid Cream lipstick. And I'm going to be using the shade Chic. And there you have it.